Hi, this is Adam from Times, your AI accounting assistant. Today, we'll be breaking down how AI credits work on Atom and how they're used when processing your financial data. Here we'll walk through what credits are, how they're consumed, and how you can track your usage so everything stays clear as you use the platform. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what AI credits mean on Atom, know what actions consume credits and what doesn't, track your credit usage in real time. Let's dive in. AI credits on Atom are the monthly limit that determines how much you can use, based on your subscription plan. They determine how many transactions and AI-powered actions your account can process within a billing cycle. You can always see your available credits on the bottom left corner of your screen on your credit card indicator. Here's how credit usage works. One transaction consumes 0.1 credit. This means recording 10 transactions, either manually or via bulk upload, consumes 1 credit. For example, if your plan includes 50 credits, you can process up to 500 transactions for that billing cycle, in this case per month. Transactions include bank transactions. This includes transactions from manually uploaded bank statements or automatic bank sync, which pulls in your transactions automatically. Invoice records, bill records, journal entries, and other financial records. Each single transaction created or processed consumes 0.1 credit. Now let's see how credits are used in real time. From the sidebar, navigate to the banking section on the sidebar menu. Select the Bank Transactions menu. This opens a page containing all your connected bank accounts and previously uploaded transactions. To add new transactions, click on Import Transactions. A modal will pop up asking you to select the bank account for these transactions. If the bank already exists, simply select it. If not, you can add a new bank account from here. Next, upload your transaction file or provide the transaction details you want Atom to process. In this case, I am uploading a bank statement with 20 transactions. Once done, click Submit. As Atom processes and categorizes the transactions, keep an eye on your AI credit card at the bottom left of the screen. You'll notice that credits reduce as transactions are processed. Each transaction consumes 0.1 credit. Once processing is complete, your remaining credit balance is updated instantly. Since I uploaded about 20 transactions, 2 AI credits were consumed. This gives you full transparency into how your credits are being used. Aside financial transactions that consume credit, other activities on Atom that consume credits include image uploads. This includes images like receipts. When you upload an image, Atom extracts the transaction details and records them automatically. Uploading an image uses 0.1 AI credit, and if that image contains multiple transactions, each transaction extracted will also use 0.1 AI credit. -1 AI message equals 0.1 credit. Sending a message to Atom for any inquiry consumes credit. This ensures credits are used efficiently, based on the type of data being processed. Credits automatically reset every month. This happens 30 days after your subscription date, and your full credit balance is restored based on your plan. You don't need to do anything manually. Credits reload automatically. If you ever need more credits before your monthly reset, you can purchase additional credits directly from your account. To do this, navigate to Business Settings, then click on Billing. On the AI Credits section, select Buy More Credits. A modal pops up to input the purchase value. Please note, credits purchased are neither refundable nor transferable, and they expire after 30 days, whether used or unused. Enter the amount you want to purchase, and the system will immediately show you how many AI credits you'll get. Once confirmed, click Buy Credits. Your AI credit balance will be updated instantly and reflected on your credit card indicator. And that's it. You now understand how AI credits work on Atom, what consumes them, and how to track your usage in real time. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.